Algorithms and Flowcharts. Introduction. Being a machine, a computer understands the instructions given to it in its language. The instructions written in a language which a computer can understand is called a program. In computing, a program is implemented by a computer to solve any problem and get the results. Basically, a program in a computer involves 3 steps: algorithm, flowchart, program. Let us understand the mentioned steps with the help of an example. Objective is to play a cricket match. So, what will you do? First, consult with all the team members and check their availability. If everyone is ready, then call the captain of the opponent team and place a challenge. Decide for an appropriate ground. Now, arrange the kit bags and the necessary cricket equipments. Start practicing with the team members. Play the match with sportsman spirit and enjoy. The mentioned steps to play a cricket match are a part of a program. Programming is the process of developing this set of instructions which are systematically arranged to do a specific task. Languages used for computer programming are known as programming languages. Some programming languages are COBOL, Pascal, QBasic, C, C++, Java, C#, Visual Basic, etc. Programming languages are of 2 types: low-level languages, LLL, high-level languages, HLL. Low-level languages, LLL. Low-level languages are easier for the computer to understand. As the low-level languages are very close to the machine, programs developed in LLL are faster. Computer, being a binary machine, understands only the low-level languages, consisting of ones and zeros. This makes the programming in LLL very difficult. Programmers who used these languages faced a lot of problem in developing programs for the machine because for typing every statement of the program, they had to have a sound knowledge of the hardware. High-level languages, HLL. High-level languages are easier for the programmers as they are closer to English language. The instructions are typed in the language that is more close to the humans, but this also has its own disadvantage. The computer does not understand HLL, so it needs an interpreter or a compiler to convert these high-level codes to low-level codes. This process increases the execution time of the program. Steps to develop a good program. Understand the problem. Write an algorithm for the solution of the problem. Draw the flowchart showing the flow of control of data. Construct the code in relevant computer programming language and execute it. If the code is not solving the problem, then dry run. Manually execute the code and look for the bugs, errors in it. Debug, remove the errors, the code, and execute it again.